Claude Code now works with iMessage and is changing the AI space forever. No laptop, no VS Code, no terminal. All I need is a single iPhone that I use to tell Claude Code to do whatever I want it to do. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Claude Code's new iMessage channel, how I use it to run my AI agency while I'm away from my desk, and how you can use it to build and scale a powerful one-person AI business. So here's the thing, if you're running any kind of AI business, whether it's an agency, building apps, freelancing, whatever it is, you know the pain of being tied to your laptop. A client sends you a message at 9 p.m. asking for a status update, but you're out at dinner. You can't just pull out your MacBook at a restaurant, otherwise everyone's gonna look at you like you have no life, which you still might not. Or maybe you're traveling, you're on a flight, you're at a conference, you're literally anywhere that isn't sitting in front of your computer. Or you might be in a place where there's barely any connection or Wi-Fi. With all this being said, Claude Code is sitting on your machine doing nothing. All your AI agents are ready to be used aren't being used at all. And God forbid an enterprise AI system goes down and you can't update it with Claude Code. This is a problem I have been having for years now, by the way. I've got 5 active AI apps, an agency with multiple clients, and a coaching program with over 190 entrepreneurs. Things don't just stop because I left my 3.5K month studio in New York City. But now everything has changed. Anthropic just dropped channels for Claude Code. And if you haven't heard about this yet, let me break it down real quick. A channel is basically like giving Claude Code a phone number. It lets you talk to your Claude Code session through a third-party app. Right now, it's been mainly just Telegram and Discord, but they just added iMessage, which for anyone on a Mac, this is a game changer. Think about it. You text your own number from iMessage, and that message gets funneled directly into your running Claude Code session. So if you leave your computer on, no matter where you are, your Claude Code can continuously be working. This way you're not wasting your $100 a month, $200 a month subscription. Claude will even text you back the results so you're up to date with exactly what's going on inside your Claude session. It's like having a full-blown AI developer in your pocket that has access to your entire machine without you having to be there to handhold it. That's crazy. Now let me walk you through how to actually set this up because it's way simpler than you think. The first step, you need to grant full disk access on your Mac. So you're going to open up your system settings, go to privacy and security, then full disk access. And you're going to add whatever app you run Claude Code in. For me, that's VS Code. If you use the actual terminal app, then you can add that instead. This is required because iMessage stores its database locally on your Mac, and Claude Code needs permission to read those messages. Without this step, nothing works. Then you want to install the iMessage plugin, and this is literally one command. You copy from the docs, paste it into Claude Code, and ask you to confirm the install, and that's it. It takes literally about like 10 seconds. And by the way, if you also want Telegram or Discord, those are separate plugins, but the process is the exact same, one command each. The next step is to launch Claude Code in channel mode. So instead of just running Claude Code normally, like you've done probably for every single day since 3 a.m., you paste it in a slightly different launch command that tells it to listen for iMessage. The second you run it, you see a message that says listening for channel messages from iMessage. And now you're live because that means it's listening for iMessage. So to test it, you pull out your phone, you open up iMessage, and you text yourself something like, "Hey, can you hear me?" And within a few seconds, it pops up right there in your Claude Code terminal. Claude responds, and you get the reply back on your phone. So if you were timing this setup from when you first started to now, this whole setup probably took you about 5 minutes max. And that includes me Googling what Bun was because you do need to install that first, which is a JavaScript run. If you got any issues revolving around Bun is a JavaScript runtime that you need to install first, but don't overthink it, just install it. Now with your iMessage and Claude Code connected, let's actually put it to use because there's no point of having this if you're not actually going to be using this for your personal one-person AI business, right? So imagine you're at the gym and you want to check how your app's doing. Text Claude Code, give me a summary of today's analytics for my app Deeper. Boom, you get a full breakdown on your phone. Or you're grabbing coffee and a coaching student has a question about their app architecture. You text Claude Code, review the student's repo, and give me the top 3 issues. It pulls it up, analyze it, and text you back. Or you're on a flight and you want to prep for tomorrow's client call. You can text Claude Code to summarize the last 10 commits on the client project and flag anything I should know about or bring up on the call. And you'll get a full briefing message back into your iMessage. This is something you should do when you're having repeated client calls to the same person, so that way you can get a proper update on what you added into the AI system that you're being paid to build for them. But the real benefit of all this is you're no longer chained to your desk. Your Claude Code session has all your skills, your custom agents, your analyzers, your code reviews, your tools, everything. So you can access all this from your phone. And for most of you probably have an iPhone. But as good as this sounds, there are some limitations you have to be aware of. The biggest one, and I'm sure this is intuitive, is that if your Claude Code session closes, like your laptop dies, the channel dies. So if your laptop restarts, there's an update. If you accidentally hit Control C, it's over. it's all gone. You have to go back to your computer and start a new session, which can be annoying, if you're gone for a few days and you don't have your laptop on you, because once it's closed, no one's gonna pick it back up. But here's a workaround. You can run Claude Code on a Mac Mini or a Mac OS VPS and keep it alive with something like Tmux, and now it's running 24/7 and you can text it whenever you want from wherever you are. I'm actually in the process of setting this up right now with the Mac Mini that just sits in my studio, so please pray for me, because the last time I tried to set up a server, I spent a good amount of time debugging network settings. Luckily, one of my mentees helped me set up a very good VPS, so I'm just gonna have him help me again. Also, you have to be using Mac OS if you want to connect Claude Code and iMessage. I mean, you can't be using Windows or Linux, right? iMessage is an Apple thing, so if you want to use this, you have to have the Mac. Another big misconception is this whole dispatch versus channels versus remote control. And I want to clear something up, because there's 3 different ways that you can control Claude Code remotely, and you might get confused about which one to use. There's dispatch, which is where you send a task from Anthropic's mobile app, which Claude runs on your machine. It's best for delegating just a chunk of work while you're away. And there's channels, which is what we just set up. We set up the iMessage channel, but there's also Telegram and Discord. And then you have remote control, which is best when you need to actively steer what Claude is doing. It's like your pair programming, but from your phone. They all sound similar, but the key difference is the trigger. Dispatch is a one-off task, channels are ongoing event listeners, and remote control is direct steering. And honestly, for running a one-person AI business, channels is the one I use the most because it fits how I already work. I'm texting all day anyway via my iPhone, so now some of those texts just happen to go to my AI developer instead of my homeboy. If you're running an agency, building apps, or doing anything where you need access to your dev environment on the go, this is a must-have. If you want to see how I built the AI apps that I'm managing with this setup, watch this video next.